Good morning, student. Student, today you will learn the MCQs on the topic application of derivative. Question number 1. The length of the longest interval in which fx equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is increasing. Student, the condition of increasing function is f dash x is greater than 0. Now, function can be written as sin 3x. Let's find its derivative f dash x. It is cos 3x into 3. Since cos x is positive from interval pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. From in this interval cos x is positive, so we can say 3x is less than equal to pi by 2 and greater equal to minus pi by 2. And x is less than pi by 6 and greater equal to minus pi by 6. Now, pi by 6. Now, length of the interval is pi by 6 minus pi by 6. It is 2 pi by 6 or it is pi by 3. So length of the interval is pi by 3, hence A option is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following function is decreasing on the interval 0 to pi by 2? Function is sin 2x, cos 3x, tan x and cos 2x. When we differentiate this in 2x, it is cos 2x into 2. But this will be not positive in whole of the interval 0 to pi by 2. Same cos 3x, its derivative is minus sin 3x into 3. So it also negative, right? It is not decreasing. And tan x is always an increasing function, interval 0 to pi by 2. Now cos 2x, when fx is cos 2x, then its derivative is minus sin 2x into 2. So minus 2. When the interval 0 to pi by 2, sin 2x is positive. 2 into positive value. So it is negative. Since f dash x less than 0, function is decreasing. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So in this interval, only cos 2x is a decreasing function. Sin 2x is increasing, cos 3x is also increasing, tan x is monotonically increasing function. Now, question 3. For what values of x, function x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 40 is monotonically decreasing? Is monotonic decreasing function. So fx is x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 40. Now f dash x is 4x cube minus 12x square plus 8x. Now here 4 common, 4x common. Then it is x square minus 3x plus 2. Its factor x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Or it is 4x, x common, x minus 2, minus 1 common, x minus 2. Then it is 4x into x minus 1 and x minus 2. Now let us see. Is question 3. When for decreasing f dash x less than 0. It means x into x minus 1 and x minus 2 is less than 0. Now, let us see the condition. If we make the graph when x is greater than 2, let there is a 2, there is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. When x is greater than 2, this is positive, this positive, this positive, there is a positive. There is negative, then positive, then, right? So let us see. Function is decreasing when the agent x is less than 2 and greater than 1. And therefore, B part is correct. When x is less than 2, greater than 1, function is decreasing. Is decreasing. Decreasing. B option is correct here. Student, question 4. The slope of the function, the slope of the normal to the curve y equal to x square minus 1 upon x square and minus 1 to 0 is what? So here y equal to x square minus 1 upon x square, that can be written as x power minus 2. Now f dash x or dy over dx is equal to 2x minus plus 2 into x power minus 3. Now m equal to slope of the tangent, it is 2 into, here x is minus 1 plus 2 upon minus 1 cube, then it is minus 2 minus 2 or it is minus 4 and slope of normal, since m1 m2 equal to minus 1, let slope of normal is capital N, then capital M equal to minus 1 upon small m or it is 1 by 4 and A option is correct. Slope of the normal is 1 by 4. Student, now question number 5. The point of the parabola by square equal to 64x, which is nearest to the line 4x plus 3y plus 35 equal to 0 has coordinate. So see the solution. Let us find the slope of the tangent. It is 2y dy over dx equal to 64. Then dy over dx is 64 upon 2y. If point of the parabola is nearest to the line this, then the tangent is parallel to this line. Tangent is parallel to the line. Like that, there is a parabola, there is a one tangent, there is a line, then for nearest point, the tangent is parallel to the line. Therefore, slope of tangent equal to the slope of the line. Let us find slope of line. Of the line, it is m equal to minus a upon b, so it is minus 4 upon 3. Since both values are equal, therefore 64 upon 2y equal to minus 4 upon 3. There is 16, then it is 8. And y equal to minus 24. Y is minus 24. Then let's find x. Since 24 is square, minus 24 square equal to 64x. 24 square is 576. Is 64x, or we can write it is 8, 24, 8 theta. So 8 into 9 equal to 64x is cancelled, so x equal to 9. Then its A option is correct. Y is negative and x is positive. Now student, question number 6.